All right, you guys, it's Madison again, and today we are going to talk about assistive technology for sight, or loss of sight, loss of vision. So these aren't going to be like special glasses or anything like that. These are going to be digital technologies that can assist you while your vision diminishes or before your vision diminishes. It's just certain things that you can use to just help get ready for certain things that happen. We're going to wait 10 seconds to let everybody turn their sound up on their computer so you can hear me and read along if you need the transcript. So we'll wait. All right, so I've chosen one assistive technology today, and then a few things to do on your computer to make it an assistive technology for yourself. There's a lot of accessibility things on your computer that you can utilize, turning it into a normal technology that is assistive technology. All right, so let's get started. All right, issues with loss of vision. So approximately 1 person in 3 has some sort of vision-reducing eye disease by the age of 65. And the most common causes of this vision loss among the elderly are age-related macular degeneration, glaucoma, cardiac, and diabetic retinopathy. So a lot of things can happen to your eyes as you age. I know I myself have worn glasses since I was in lower elementary school. I know both my parents started using bifocals or reading glasses around the age of 40. So I'm getting there. So I seem to have problems with loss of vision. And with loss of vision, we see a decreased ability to perform activities of daily life, and I really want to help you guys make your at-home life easier to move around with while loss of vision looms or you're experiencing loss of vision as you age. As we see, 1 in 3 people have vision-reducing eye disease, and a study showed that we have about 1 billion people over the age of 60 in our society, and that's almost 333 million people that could be experiencing loss of vision. So it's very important for us to utilize these things that we have in our homes to make them more productive for us. All right, let's begin. AT for loss of vision. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is screen magnification. We can do this on PCs, Macs, on your computers, or your iPhone or your Android phone. So I'm going to talk about those a little bit, and I have a lot of the resources for those in our lecture notes on our module. So a lot of learning about that is going to be independently by you looking up the websites that I provided for you in our lecture notes, reading about them, and then trying them yourself. I'm going to walk us through two screen magnification processes on Mac and PC computers. And then the next thing are large print keyboards. I have one that's compatible with PC and then one that's compatible with Mac only. For some reason they don't have interchangeable keyboards, but I picked 2 very nice large print keyboards, and we'll explain why we need those later. All right, let's get started with screen magnification. So, if you're listening to me right now and you're on your Mac computer, you are going to go and click the Apple menu. You're going to select System Preferences, and then you're going to click the Accessibility icon. On the next screen, you're going to click Zoom. And that's going to enable you to That's going to enable you to just zoom in on your entire keyboard manually. So next we're going to go over, so say we haven't done this. We're going to go back and we're going to use your keyboard to zoom. So you're going to click Use Keyboard Shortcuts to zoom. Then start zooming in by pressing Command, Option, and 8 together. Command Option, and 8. To zoom in, that enables the zoom in process to happen. Then, to zoom in, you're going to press Command, Option, and the equal sign. Yes. Or zoom out by pressing the Command, Option, and minus sign. These are just little key clicks. If you're able to click them all at the same time, these let you zoom in, and zoom out very easily without having to go through another process. To turn off the zooming, so you lock it in place, you click Command, Option, and 8 again. All right. Next, you can use your trackpad to zoom the screen. So check the box marked Use Scroll Gesture with Modifier Keys to Zoom. All right. And then scroll on the trackpad while pressing one of the 3 keys, Control, Option, or Command. Within your, when choosing this, you get to choose which key you want to use as a zoom in from your pull down menu, and it'll show you that on the way. All right. Next, besides zooming the entire display, you can also turn your cursor or your mouse into a magnifying glass. To do so, you're going to click the menu labeled Zoom Style and then choose Picture in Picture. So this, as you see my mouse on the screen right here doing circles, this would be able to magnify anything you want on it. If you don't want the whole thing zoomed in, you are able to use that as a zoomer instead. All right, and now we're going to go to PC. For PC, you're going to go to Control Panel from the Windows Start menu, or if you're using Windows 8, right-click the Start button and then select Control Panel. Then click Optimize Visual Display under the Ease of Access section. Next, under the heading that reads Make Things on Screen Larger, check the box next to Turn on Magnifier and then click the Apply button. It's very important that you click the Apply button or it will not do as we want it to. You should now see a medium-sized magnifying glass icon floating on your desktop. Click it to reveal the magnification controls. All right. And then try clicking the plus button and zoom. Your entire Windows desktop should be double in size to a magnification of 200%. Click the plus button again to increase the magnification more, or click the minus button to return to normal. All right. Then we are going to play with 3 different magnification modes. Open the Views menu to the right of the blue plus sign and minus sign buttons to cycle through 3 magnification modes. Full screen, which I just described, and then we have lens, which lets you drag a square magnification lens across the screen, similar to the Mac magnification with the mouse. And then docked, which opens a slim magnification window that's docked at the top of your desktop, right across the front of the screen. So say I was to scroll down on the screen up here. Okay, if you're looking at the screen right now, I have Screen Magnifier, Magnifier PC. So this at the top of the screen, say that if I scrolled down, it would also magnify the bullet points I have below that to the size that's larger so that you can read it. They're very cool. So these are very difficult. So I want you guys to play with these on your desktop. I've attached a few different notes on our lecture notes within the module. So you can do this not only with your computer, but also with your cell phone. So go ahead and try that. I've also attached these visual instructions so it makes a little bit more sense. All right. Next, we're going to talk about our large print keyboards. So large print keyboards, they have big, bold print on a standard size keyboard and one-touch hotkeys for common commands. These are ideal for low vision individuals and for dim lighting. The hotkeys are something that you can activate where if you are clicking, say you're not able to click Control-Alt-Delete at the same time with your hands, you'll be able to have them as sort of like sticky keys, so you can click them all. You don't have to hold your hand down on them. All right, and then finally we have the large print keyboard for the Mac. The Apple Large Print Keyboard has been designed for individuals who suffer from visual impairments or just have a hard time reading the existing commands on their keyboards. The custom large print makes controlling your keyboard a lot simpler and faster. It's small, it's durable, it's not flimsy, it's made with aluminum or anodized aluminum. And it also has function keys for one-touch access to a variety of Mac features such as screen brightness, volume, eject, play, pause, fast forward, rewind, and dashboard, similar to the PC keyboard. So I suggest investing in one of these. Some of them can be expensive. I suggest going more expensive with these. They'll last longer. I know you guys take care of everything, all of your electronics, and and I feel like investing in one of these is going to make you want to use your computer more and make it more accessible for you. All right, so that's the end of this module. I want you guys to go on to our discussion and tell me a little bit about what you thought of this lecture. I have some questions on there for you to answer, and I want to hear your opinions about how you're feeling about everything. If you have any questions, you can email me, and y'all have a great day. All right, goodbye.